Okay, hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be telling you on how to lock first person in Roblox Studio. So this is a simple tutorial. It's basically just saying on how to make it so you are stuck in first person. As you can see, I'm in third person right now. But if I click stop, and I'm going to tell you how to make it so you're locked in first person. So if your workplace is closed or open, just close it. And then click start a player. And then you see camera mode. You just want to double click it. Then you want to click lock first person. So usually people will do this. This is for third person people things. I'll show you that in a later video actually. But yeah, so that's kind of all you have to do. Then when you join a game, you are stuck in first person. Now, I don't know if you hear my scroll wheel right now, but I'm gonna get really close, oh god, to the mic and do it loudly and try to do it loudly. And as you can see, it will not take me out of first person. So, yeah. Thank you for watching this quick video. I don't know what next video will be, but yeah. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe. And yeah. See you in the next video.